Dear travelers, if you are on holiday at Lake Gerda and are looking for a place for a romantic dinner, here is a restaurant that we would certainly like to suggest to you. The Alla Fassa restaurant is located approximately halfway along the eastern coast of Lake Garda and overlooks the lake directly, offering customers a spectacular view, especially at sunset. The quality of the food is, in our opinion, excellent, and right in front of the tables in the outdoor area, there is a pedestrian street where you can take a walk by the lake. If you are in the area, we certainly recommend a stop. That's all for today. We are waiting for you for the next video.